just out ripping the neighborhood here. Free lawnmower. I got a couple ideas for this. Golf carts are just so versatile. The wife's gonna be pissed if I wreck her seat though. I wonder if it runs.
Okay, initial inspection. Empty. Got no fuel. Got oil. Almost looks fresh. Well, only one way to find out. Put a little fuel in her, see what she does. Fortunately, got a little lawnmower fuel laying around. See how she runs on a little C16 because I don't use it anymore. So I got no time for $22 a gallon gas. Try her out, see what happens here. Choke engaged. Sounds somewhat promising. I think she's a wide open unit. I already have a mower. It's a zero turn. It's pretty nice. So I don't think I'm gonna need the whole 190 here. What do I do with it? Collector, swap meet. No. Gotta be something better to do with this. Use motor oil, that's been done before. Try to run it on skinnies? Don't think so. BR1, that's not exciting. It's already got C16 in it. That's proven to be pretty good. God, what else could we do? Ooh. A leftover from the last 10 days. Oh, there might just be a smidge left in it. That's what we're gonna do. How much nitrous will a snapper consume? So it feels like there's oh gosh, there can't be much. Can't be much left in here. Might work. So now to plumb it in. I don't even know where the intake is on a snapper. Seems to be exhaust here. This looks promising. Let's pop this on. Oh yes. Don't need that anymore. Pull it off the backfire. Okay. All right. Now we just need some plumbing stuff. Okay, I found a little setup. Still puts me in the blast zone though. That thing's that come I see me, hey guys, this is hilarious, and then just boom, just a piston right out the front. All right, so after digging around the whole nitrous supply cabinet for a few minutes, you could say things are getting serious. I think it's gonna happen. All right, SFI bottle mount is on. I think I've rigged up enough solenoid and line. Let's use some wire, and I can stand in the garage and light this thing off. I think it's gonna work. So just gonna mount this. Right. Oh God, yeah, mounted. I think she's ready to rip. Some wires, 12-volt battery. Ready to send this thing into orbit. All right, we're just about ready to rip here now. Got our control station set up. Just to give a quick test on the whole solenoid and make sure everything's ready to rip when we pop this thing off here. Oh yeah, she's ready to rip. Built a bunker just to ensure no bodily harm, at least the bottom half of me.
Oh no! Ooh, small leak. Hit her once and she backfired. Of course the bottle's empty. Why would the bottle not be empty? Not even one more shot left in that thing. So basically there was enough to go poof. It was gonna take it, and then we ran out. I gotta find another nitrous bottle. Good news, we put out the call for a nitrous bottle. Somebody's got one about 3 blocks from here, so we're gonna go grab that real quick, empty that out for him. You know, end of the season, he don't need it anyhow. Ooh, sniper. This has gotta be circa 90s. Just minty clean bottle though. Okay, test run 97. I think she's gonna do her. I'm a little concerned about the lack of jet. I'm not really sure I'll put one in here, and I got the bottle open as little as possible. So I think we're just gonna spritz her with the power. I'll be like a PWM myself. I'll just same as a controller. Let's give her a rip. Okay, so it's too much nitrous, not enough fuel. That's my theory. I taped the air cleaner shut, trying to richen it up, and that didn't work. So we've just got like a dash 4 feeding it right now. So I found a jet, but I don't have a plate to put the jet in. So I'm gonna drill the fitting in the solenoid to accept this end, slide her in, and then tighten on the hose on top of it. So after multiple failed attempts, Brian and Johnny are off work now. Johnny hasn't asked a single question. He's just blended in like this is normal activity. You have no questions of what's happening here.
Not yet.
Brian thinks he's on a little air fuel. So he's gonna target like 8.0. We're gonna put an air fuel gauge on it after this. Really dial her in.
You're a fucking hack.
It's not bad.
And then we're thinking maybe remove the nitrous from directly down its throat hole and just kind of mist the area. Cleaned it right out.
Oh,
God. This should be a how to rebuild your lawnmower video.
How to rebuild your lawnmower, then spray it.
Check, hold on. Ready?
That might have been it.
A little too far on the tune-up.
Oh,
No, we're fine.
What's the rattling sound?
No, it's fine. No more. Don't
Getting
worry
close. Nice little flame. How come everything we own blows flames out of it? Failure. I don't know. Not like we're gonna design a fuel system. Could got all the parts. I don't know. We'll shelf her for now. We'll come back to it. If anybody's got any great ideas on how to make a hot tune-up for nitrous on a lawnmower,
feel free to chime in. Stand by. Fairmont videos coming soon.